What's up guys, it's Brandon Flash. Today we're in my Volkswagen ID.4 and we're going to be installing some matte screen protectors on both the instrument cluster and on the infotainment screen. Let's take a moment to thank today's video sponsor, EV Wash. They sell a line of more environmentally friendly cleaning products for your EV or really any car. All of their products come in reusable aluminum bottles. They sell refill pouches that you can buy that's less expensive than these bottles. That way you're also making less impact on the environment. Let's try out their glass cleaner on Kalie's Cooper SE windshield. Don't need a whole lot of product, and they do actually sell specific cloths for each purpose. Works great, and there's a code down below for 30% off your order. And again, thank you to EV Wash for sponsoring today's video. So let's jump right into it. You can see how reflective that instrument cluster is, how reflective the infotainment screen is. And here we have matte screen protectors for both from the OCDplug.com. I'll have a link down in the description. And they're just typical like paint protection type film. And we're gonna be installing them. They do include a little bottle for you to use that you add water and a little bit of soap. They include one screen cleaning wipe and a cloth. I do have some extras here, just being that they only include one. And let's get to it. So first we're gonna start off with cleaning the screens. So we've got this screen clean now. Let's spray it down with some of the slip solution, which is just water and some soap. And then we're gonna put it on. We're also gonna spray our fingertips off. Make sure that's nice and tight. So you want your fingers nice and slippery. Just like that. And we're gonna be starting out with this bigger one. So let's just figure out the orientation here. So we've got the narrower edges up here. And just peel it back. And just kind of set it on there. You want to align it as best as you can, but it's not the end of the world if you don't get it perfect the first time. We're also going to spray the actual screen protector. Makes it a little easier. And I think that should be pretty well aligned. Let's kind of work some of those bubbles out. And just like that, we've got one of these installed with no bubbles. Touchscreens can be a little finicky after you get them wet. So now we're moving on to the instrument cluster here. So same thing, we're gonna be cleaning it off. Even though I already cleaned it off, I wanna just make sure it's really nice and clean. In theory, this one should be easier since it's smaller, but we'll see how that goes. And again, we'll spray the back of this. And just like that, we've got it aligned. And now we'll just squeegee out the water. And just like that, we've got matte screen protectors. And just like that, we have the screen protectors installed. Let me just show you guys. You can see the matte finish. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this short and sweet video. Just installed those screen protectors. Really digging the finish so far. It's a lot like our Mini Cooper SE, that the instrument cluster is matte from the factory, but the center screen is glossy, so that's actually pretty annoying. But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Link down below for the product. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the content, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for future content. Thank you guys for watching.